Hi, I'm Kevin, and by the end of this video, I want to show you exactly how you can set up an automated system that instantly processes your or any creator's YouTube video transcripts and creates an interactive knowledge base that your audience can literally chat with through something like Telegram or Slack or WhatsApp or email. The possibilities are endless. But just imagine never having to manually answer the same questions over and over again about your content. Over the last few months, I've spent a lot of time developing these automation systems for content creators, and I've personally implemented this exact solution for multiple channels, saving them hundreds of hours in audience engagement. As the person developing these systems, I've refined this process to be absolutely as seamless as possible, and I want to show you how to do it in this video. In fact, this is what we're going to cover in this specific video. First, I'm going to show you how to set up the automatic transcript extraction system. Then we'll configure the database integration, so the upload to this database is seamless. And then we'll connect Telegram to the whole thing, so the input and the output can happen through this channel. Then I'll show you how to test it and maintain the system so there are no problems at all. Without this automation, you're probably spending hours each week copying and pasting the same responses, and that gets very boring very quickly. You'll have to manually search through old videos for specific information, or even worse, you could lose people because they can't find quick answers to their specific questions. And some creators even end up hiring virtual assistants for these repetitive tasks. But with this simple automation I'm going to show you, this is a thing of the past. So here's what we're going to be covering in this video. So first of all, this is the first part of the automation that literally sets the transcript video URL to transcribe. It makes a request, so we get the transcription, and then we store the information in a Pinecone database. And this happens automatically, or can happen automatically, on a schedule. When a new video is created by your favorite YouTuber, this kicks into action. And then we have the output part, which is we get a Telegram message. The AI agent goes in and gets the right information from our Pinecone store. It returns the information and then sends a message through Telegram back to the user. So that is the whole flow in a nutshell. So if this sounds like something that could be useful and valuable for your business, this is the video to watch. Let's get right into it. So over here, I have a video from one of the creators I follow and that I've worked with as well. And in this video, Adam has this, like, the contents are about 7 best online businesses to start in 2025. And all I did is I grabbed this YouTube URL right here. And again, this can happen on autopilot based on the creators that you follow. And in this specific case with n8n, which is a great no-code/low-code type of system, I've set it to transcribe this video. So I've just set the YouTube video URL right here. Then I make a request to Epify, and if you haven't heard about it, Epify is a great platform for web scraping. There's scrapers for TikTok, Google Maps, Instagram, websites, Amazon. You can even build your own actors with their documentation, but probably anything you want to scrape, or pretty much anything you want to scrape, there's a scraper that can help you get that job done. So I make the request to Epify to get the transcript, and then I store the information in Pinecone. And if you haven't used it before, Pinecone is a great RAG or RAG system where you can build knowledgeable or knowledge bases based on your specific information. You log in to Pinecone, and once you're logged in, you create what are known as indexes. So you can have different indexes here. And in my case, I have an index which is the one used to upload the transcript. So here, as you can see, there's the text from the video that I uploaded. So here, Adam is speaking about the YouTube Partner Program. Here, he's speaking about affiliate links. Here, he is speaking about DIY videos, YouTube, and all that stuff. So this essentially, the system takes the whole transcript from here, or from Epify technically, and chunks it down into different parts. So here we have the chunk size to be 1000 characters, and we get an overlap of 20, which means that all the video or nothing is lost from the video. So there's that overlap that is included from one chunk to the next. So we ensure that there is no loss in data. So once that happens, then we get all the information that is uploaded to our pinecone, which means that once we get to the retrieval part, the system can go into the same database, grabs the Telegram information, and then actually gives us back the desired information. So let's test this out. So what I have here is, let's actually grab a different video. So
Hey everybody,
and let's grab another video. So yeah, let's grab this one, 34 minutes. Let me see if there's a shorter one as well. Okay, let's grab this. I'm just going to grab the URL here. Let's skip that.
today I'm going to show you.
Let's just open up the transcript so we can also test this out. So I'm going to go here, and again in this case I'm going to hard code the URL right there. I'm going to just disconnect this for now, so there's only one trigger which will kick in once I test the workflow, and this should, okay, there's the waiting for event, so let me just disable that, and now this should kick in, right? So here I'm essentially making the request to Epify, and in a second I should get the transcript from this video, which starts with, today I'm going to show you how to generate over 30 blog posts. So if that works well, in a second we'll see all the information right here, and then we'll be able to upload this to pinecone. So let me have a sip of tea until that happens. And obviously this can vary in length based on how long the video is. So we got the transcript right here, and now this is, or has already written the information to pinecone. So if I go here to pinecone, before I had 55 records. If I refresh this, I should have more now because I have the new video that was just uploaded. So let's give this a second, and now I have 77 records. Great. So I have all the information right there. Now, the next part would be to go back to here, and let's just disconnect this for now. So in a real world production situation, you would have these probably on separate types of workflows. And let's re-enable this. And in my case, as I said, I'm using Telegram just for the simplicity and the ease at which you can connect it with n8n. And now if I hit test workflow, this is now waiting for a trigger event. So it's waiting for a message to come in from Telegram. And once this comes in, this whole automation here will kick in. So let's just go to our video, and let's have a look at something that Adam mentions in this video. So let's actually use AI to help with this. So if I go back to my automation here, let me just go back to the execution here. Let's grab the transcript right here. And let's just go to Claude and say, what are some things the creator mentions in this video? And I'm just going to paste in the transcript, so I'll know exactly what I could ask the system. So for sure, there's 30 blog posts in an hour. So the creator discusses a method for generating multiple blog posts using AI, specifically focusing on creating transactional affiliate revenue posts, informational posts using snowmobiling as the example niche. Okay, so what's the niche used in the article blog post generation video? That could be a message we send. So let's go to Telegram and say, what's the niche mentioned in the bulk article generation video? Let's hit send, and let's see what happens here. So if we go to let's close out of this, go back to editor. I'm not sure if yeah, I think I didn't I need to test this workflow. Okay, so that should now come in a second. It's just that the workflow wasn't listening for messages. So here this is checking information and all that, and now I should have an answer here. So the niche mentioned in the bulk article generation video is normal billing. Perfect. So this went through the 2 video transcripts and it was able to pull out exactly the right niche. I'm just wondering if I can zoom in on, yeah, not sure I can. Anyway, let's ask it another question based on the first video, which was about affiliate marketing, I believe. So let me, if I can find it. Yeah, this was it. So 7 best online businesses to start in 2025. Let's have a look at the transcript here and ask it a question that is specific to this video. So let's hit show transcript and let's do the same thing right here. I'm just going to copy the whole transcript. Copy and say what about this video. And let's say what the main points were in this specific video. So it will be easier to ask the system through Telegram something specific. So selling your own products, example maths, 1K products times 2.7 sales per day, potential $1 million per year. Okay, so how many sales? I know this would be too niche, but so to get to a potential $1 million per year, how many products and how many sales per day? We're really testing the whole thing. So to get to a potential $1 million per year, how many sales per day? What was it? How many sales per day and how much does the product mentioned cost? Okay, let's go back here. That's the workflow. So it's waiting for a trigger event. And as you can see, this takes the message. It's asking the information. Okay. And we got an error. So let's test this one more time. Paste. And let's see now. Hopefully that was a one-off thing. Okay. So to make a potential $1 million per year, you could theoretically get there with 2 to 3 sales per day of a product priced at $1,000. Okay, yeah, I'm not happy with that answer. It's way too it's a generic answer that can be given to us even if we didn't have that knowledge base. So let's try something else that the system would only know if it references the right piece of the knowledge base. So let's see here. E-commerce, Etsy. Okay, Peter levels success. So Peter levels, let's see, we go back to the transcript. So it's really complicated. And one interesting person that does this, it's Peter Levels, though he's done it with basically, I think he's tried how many different products, if it's 40 or 50 or if it's 100. So how many products has Peter Levels tried? I think it's a better question to ask. So let's go here. Let's test this. And obviously once this is in production, it will keep like listening for events over and over again. So how many products has Peter Levels tried? Let's see. Peter Levels has tried quite a number of different products. While the exact number isn't specified, it's made clear he's launched multiple. Okay. So am I missing something here? Peter Levels, he's basically done it. I think, I don't know how many. If it's 40 or 50. Okay. So maybe a range of how many products Peter Levels has tried. I think that might be a better question to ask. So let's test this again. Let's type that in. And let's see if we've got an answer. Peter Levels has tried around 40 to 50 or even 100 different products. Nice. However, the exact number isn't specified. He's known for a number of successful products generating substantial monthly revenue, recurring revenue, such as photo AI, which makes him around 120K a month. Great. So it is able to get the right information. It's just that the question that I asked was kind of way too specific for the knowledge that it had. which meant that it couldn't give me the right answer. Anyway, just wanted to share this simple two-step process with you, where essentially we're taking this information from any YouTube video that can be out there, any video that your creator launches. And then once that happens, we go to the second part of the automation right here, which is where we get the Telegram message in, and then we return the response out. So as I said, this can be any type of video or any type of medium in terms of Telegram or Slack or Gmail or I don't know, anything where you can communicate with your customers, where they can ask you questions and you get the exact specific information from your knowledge base. This is much better than going through something like Airtable or Google Sheets, because first of all, speed is of the essence. And secondly, you want to get the exact right information for your customer. So this is why we're using this reg database instead of retrieving data from a Google Sheet or from Airtable. So anyway, if this sounds like something that you could use in your business, let me know in the comments how you would use it. And in the meantime, if you want more information on this and how I can help you in your business with AI and automation, check out the links in the description. In the meantime, also don't forget to hit like and subscribe and do all the nice fancy YouTube algorithm stuff, so this or these types of videos keep showing up on your timeline and you don't miss out on this kind of type of information that is coming out very, very quickly. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.